Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin with no fees on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you have enough money in your Cash App balance or a linked payment method. Then tap on this banking icon, then scroll down and select Bitcoin option. Here, tap the Buy button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. After that, click on this order type option and change the order type to auto invest instead of making a one-time purchase. Then choose how often you want Cash App to buy Bitcoin automatically. You can select daily, weekly, or every 2 weeks, depending on your preference. Keep in mind that auto invest may require a minimum purchase amount depending on the current Cash App requirements. If the amount you entered is below the minimum, simply increase it until you can continue. Now, review your recurring purchase details, including the amount, frequency, and scheduled purchase time. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm to create your auto invest plan. Once it's set up, Cash App will automatically purchase Bitcoin on your chosen schedule. Now, if I scroll down and click on this auto invest option, as you can see, it is set to daily. That means Cash App will automatically invest $10 in Bitcoin every day according to your auto invest schedule, and eligible auto invest purchases are made without the standard Bitcoin purchase fee. According to Cash App, eligible auto invest purchases are made without the standard Bitcoin purchase fee, although the Bitcoin price you receive may still reflect the market price at the time of purchase. If you no longer want recurring purchases, you can return to the auto invest section at any time to pause, edit, or cancel your plan. And that's it. So that's basically how you can buy Bitcoin with no fees on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.